What's good, you guys? I hope you're doing well. If you're new here, my name is Rejoicing Demanda and I hope you like it here. Welcome back to another video, guys. So currently speaking, it's actually it's 12 p.m. and I am not feeling in the best spirits today. Actually, not spirits rather, but physically. Like, I don't know, I just randomly woke up sick and I was fine yesterday, so I genuinely don't know what's going on. So I'm currently having tea and a cheese and lettuce sandwich because I'm just trying to get my energy levels up. I was supposed to go to the gym today in the morning and that couldn't happen because I genuinely was not feeling okay and I didn't want to go there, strain my body and then faint or something like that. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna relax, take it chill and just go about my day in a calm way. So we've got a couple of things to do today. I need to do my nails. I took off my press-ons. They lasted approximately 2 weeks from the previous vlog that I showed you guys my nails. So I want to do a new set and I kind of wanted to try out a new design, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it. But if I do, I will show you guys, of course. And then I also need to just remove those dead flowers because one thing about me, I love having flowers, fresh flowers in my space. It just makes my day, it lights me up. If I'm feeling down, I just look at the flowers and I feel like, oh man, life is worth living, all because of flowers. So they're dead now. I need to accept it and move on and just throw them away. And then we're going to church tonight. Today is a Friday. We're going to FNL. So it's basically Friday Night Live where you just gather as youth and then, you know, just have like a nice young discussion, music, just basically like the opening of the Sabbath. So today there's a couple of groups coming, so I was like, you know what, it's interesting, let me go, and I've been wanting to go. Yeah, just gonna bring you guys along and see what we do today. So you guys, I am finally done doing my nails. As I shown you like those few second clips that I was actually doing my nails and I was doing my toes as well. So yeah, it took me quite a lot of time than I anticipated, and I still need to like do final touches like on the cuticle because some of this glue was like smudging over my nails. But yeah, I kind of wanted like a new set. So yeah, I kind of wanted a new set, but nonetheless, yeah, I'm done. So I got a package as I was doing my nails. I got called down to go collect the package and I want to open it with you guys. It's from a brand that I need to create content for, and it's basically a Korean brand. As you guys, if you guys follow me on TikTok, and if you don't, please follow me on TikTok, you know, and Instagram. Like at this point, guys, the Instagram, yeah, I don't know. So we're just gonna unbox this package real quick. Nonetheless, we got a package to unbox. What? So many products? Why so many products? I thought they were only sending me like, hello Nina. So many products. That's crazy. Guys, since what? My word. A mask. The eye patches and this big box. Ooh, this looks nice. Oh my days, I am so excited. Guys, would you look at all of that? Honestly, I thought I'm getting one thing, but why do I see a million things? That's crazy. Okay, so first of all, I am stunned because they said they're sending me one thing. Why am I getting a million things? I am... Composure, Rejoice, composure. I was supposed to get like only one product from this entire brand, and this is the product, which is the collagen eye patch, and I'm supposed to be like creating a video specifically only for this product, which is basically like eye patches. And yeah, you know, I can't get into the details, but I've done my research. But now Bona Rice Probiotics Overnight Mask Barrier Jelly, Airy Sunscreen Smoothing Bar, SPF 50 Water Resistant for 80 minutes, another SPF 60. This one is a quick sun stick and the other one is a protection bar, but SPF 50 as well. So I don't know what's the difference, so I have to open and see and read the instructions. And then the other one is a collagen eye cream for basically around your eyes. And then lastly, this big box is a collagen gel mask, sedum jelly or sedum jelly. I think there's like a bunch of eye patches in here. Yo, you guys, I am overwhelmed. I am overwhelmed because, no, generally speaking, I thought they were sending one thing. Why am I seeing a million products? I know right now you guys are probably confused as to why I'm reacting this way, but I genuinely see when like a brand says they're gonna send you this and you know what you're working for, like the campaign, you need to do this and this and that, this is the product or these are the products, and then they send you extra million things. It's like, no, I don't deserve this, I don't deserve the blessings, I don't. But at the very same time, I think I do, because you know, I think everyone genuinely is deserving of everything that comes their way. Because I don't want to lie to you guys, I put so much effort and time into like content creation, and sometimes it gets very tiring because I genuinely don't see like my work, and I don't see like the rewards, or I don't see like the benefits of whatever I'm doing. But as I've mentioned before here on the channel, is that I don't film because I want like brands to like see me. You know, most of the time, let me not say, you know, always, but most of the times I film because genuinely I like being in front of the camera. The day I get a camera, the day, right now I'm using my iPhone 12 and it's gotten me this far. It's not even a 13 or 14 or a 15, let alone the latest 16. It's an iPhone 12, not Pro Max, not Pro, 12, no other, you know. Yeah, so I'm just eternally grateful. But yeah, I know I do have to create content with all these other products. They're not for Mahala, so I do need to create a video for all these other extra things they sent me. But if this is ever your sign out there, if you want to start content creation, girl or guy, just start recording. I started recording and I started filming with an iPhone with a Samsung A21s, and back then, I don't know, like, you know, the A ranges were still coming out, and that 21s, it was a good one. It wasn't that bad. So I must say, generally speaking, if you are really considering doing content creation, start. Don't even think about, I'm not even in an aesthetic place. If you run it back to all my old videos or my Instagram account, my TikTok, you will see I was not in an aesthetic bedroom, but I had to make it work. And we gotta do what we gotta do, but we thank the Lord and we move. So yeah, right now I need to, what do I need to do? how all the products look like. So essentially the packaging of the products are pretty different. The only thing that's similar is the rice probiotics overnight mask and the collagen eye patches. But even the sun sticks, like, you know, they also put it in different colors so you can know the difference between the two. But so far I am grateful. I still need to film content for the brand. It's for my TikTok. I haven't done that yet, so I will do that as soon as I don't know, I think as soon as I feel in the space for content creation, because at the moment, like, I don't know what's going on. Like, even today I told myself, get up, get dressed, look nice, and I've just been chilling in the house. So I was like, I can't let this look go to waste. Let me at least pick up the camera, let me at least vlog for you guys, even if it's something, you know, it doesn't have to be something super hectic, super deep. So yeah, so I love all the products. I've used the rice probiotics, I've used the rice probiotic face overnight face mask, and I must say it's really soothing and calm. And also use the collagen face mask as well, and also the eye patches. The eye patch is also cooling, you guys. It's like you've got ice around your eyes, and it's also good for someone if you're like a person who always wakes up very puffy in the morning, or you know, your eyes just like continuously strain you, or you're constantly up in, like, you know, long hours and you have eye bags. You know, the eye patches are really good. They just have that cooling effect. I haven't tried the eye creamers yet. I haven't tried the sunscreen sticks and all these other things. So of course I will put it to the test because I had to make videos. And besides, like I mentioned to you guys, I like Korean skincare products, you guys. I just love how they make you feel, you know. For me personally, I love Korean skincare. So yeah. So I am done tidying up the kitchen. So what I usually do lately is I meal prep each and every day. I mean, I meal prep starting the week, so I don't usually do my meal preps on Sunday because I like to take my Sundays calm. So I actually meal prep on Monday. So as I'm currently speaking to you guys, yesterday I didn't cook. I only cooked on Monday. So today I'm also not cooking. I'm not cooking tomorrow. And my best friend was the one who actually gave me this idea because I was like, something pay every single day, and you know, when you stay alone, it's like you need to cook in small quantities, and sometimes cooking in small quantities is like, okay, so you tell me I have to defrost the meat, take out a small portion, put it back, defrost it again, take out a small portion, and then we realize that when you cook like once, you know, a week, you don't have to like be busy each and every single day at the stove. So that really works for me. So right now I'm about to heat up my food. I'm about to eat dinner. It's like 5 p.m. ish, but I'm starving, so I'm gonna heat up my foods. Guys, that is it from me with this video. If you watched until the end, please drop a pink heart so that I know that you're a real one, you know, because I want to appreciate you guys. And if you guys watch my videos, I know there's probably a lot of silent watchers because I'm also a silent watcher. I watch my favorite YouTubers and YouTubers that I like, not necessarily my favorite, but I don't comment because, you know, I'm kind of shy. So if you watched until the end, just drop a pink heart and then I'll know that you watched. But if you did, thank you very much. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, so I hope the rest of the week is pleasant. And if this is the beginning of the week, I wish you a very prosperous and successful week. And above all, may God bless you all. Bye guys.